Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the camera in Minecraft PC. To start, open Minecraft and press the escape key. Click on Settings. Then, in the video section, you can select the type of camera to use from the camera perspective option. This choice will automatically be applied. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.